Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I posted this style on my YouTube story and a lot of you guys requested I do a video. Thankfully I recorded, so I'm finally here showing it to you guys, so stay tuned. So as you all know, one of the products I love to use is the Shine and Jam gel. So I'm just combing it through the hair and I'm parting the size that she wants. So she's getting like a large, medium large size. So she's getting the triangle part as well. So I'm doing the part to make sure it's the same size and the same shape. So if you want a more detailed tutorial on how to do the triangle part, I have other videos on my channel. So I'm just parting the hair into two, and you're just gonna take the hair you're gonna use and you're just gonna twist the hair, and then you're gonna place it under natural hair. So the right hand side, I'm twisting it up about 3 to 4 times, and then the left hand side, I'm twisting it down about the same 3 to 4 until it shows like it's tight enough, not extremely tight. And you're just gonna crisscross it over, and as you're crisscrossing, you're making sure you're twisting the hair on both sides. That way it's secured, and you want to use a hairpin to hold the hair from moving and to reduce the tension on the scalp. So you want to keep twisting all the way to the hands, and when you get to the hands, you can tie a knot, or you can use a lighter to seal the hands, whichever one is easy for you to do. So I'm going to show you guys one more time. So you want to make sure the hair is not all over. You're going to take your hairpin and tuck the rest of the hair away, and you're just going to part the hair into two. You're going to take your extension, and I use the Supreme extension hair, and you're just going to place it on in the middle of the hair that you part, and you're going to twist the natural hair with the extension like 3 to 4 times, or until it feels tighter enough, and you're going to cross it over. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Hopefully it makes sense. If you have any questions, please leave it down below in the comment section, and I will definitely reply each and every one. So also to remember to place a pin on the hair to reduce the pressure, because it's twist, it can easily get too tight when you just keep twisting it without applying the hairpin. So all the product I use in this tutorial will be in the description box down below, and a link to where you can get it. So check it out. this is what we got so far. I just love how natural it looks, like it's twisted from the root. It's just like knotless box braid, but this is like the twist part. Let me know what you guys think about this style. Do you prefer the box braid or do you prefer twist? And why do you, if you prefer twist, why do you prefer twist than box braid? And if you like box braid, why do you like box braid more than twist? So leave it down below in the comment section. So I'm done twisting. I'm just finishing the hands right now, and I'm just gonna use my lighter to trim the braids just to make it look more neater. And you can use a scissors, whichever one. I feel the lighter is faster and it saves more time, but whichever one is easy for you to do. So when you're done trimming, you're just gonna apply your mousse or satin lotion, whichever one, and you're just gonna dip the hands in hot water. And right now I'm just putting the top part. She wants it in a bun, so I'm putting the top parts in a bun and I'm letting the back flow. So here is the finished result. Here's the finished look. I hope you guys learned something. Let me know what you think about the style in the comment section down below. Also, if you have any questions, please leave it down below as well. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to click the like button. Also, please subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.